My name is Innocent Daniels. I'm here to talk to you about the most exciting business opportunity in the continent of Africa. This is a company called Live Pure. This company has existed for 11 years in the United States of America. It used to be a $100 million company per annum until 2019. This company acquired one of the biggest skincare companies in the world, Nerium. And from there, it became a $1 billion company. We have top earners in this company that have earned as much as $20 million US in the last 11 years. Some have done $5 million. And the company decided to come into Africa, starting from Nigeria and Ghana. And this, almost like 1 year, this company has been here. It's been exciting for everyone that is building this opportunity. Basically, I'm here to talk to you about the 10 ways to earn in this business. The first one is the retail. Our retail profit is as much as 25% markup on each product that is bought by any IBO in this company. In the last few months, people have made huge sales retailing these products all over Nigeria. Now, the second way to earn in this business is what we call pack commission. A pack commission is what you get paid once you sponsor any IBO. The company pay you pack commission, and the second way to earn. While the third way to earn in this business is what we call sponsor bonus. It's also paid to you on the person you sponsored in the business. Now, the fourth way to earn in the business is what we call the team bonus. Our team bonus is paid every Friday. Now, this team bonus is 10% of the volume that actually come in on your lesser leg on a weekly basis. And I need to let you know that our week starts from Tuesday morning and the business closes on Monday night. Then the payment process is done and the money is paid out on Friday. So the sixth way to earn is what we call the generational matching bonus. Wow, this is the most fantastic one. The company rewards you on your sponsor trade. The people you signed up by yourself, and they signed up other people. Now, the company says once you rank gold in the business, now you are qualified to earn generational matching bonus. And what do you earn? You earn 7% on everybody you enrolled and the people they enrolled, and it keeps going down, down, down. Now, it is not in level, it's in generation. Sometimes you can earn 10 level deep, sometimes it can be 20 level deep. And that is how powerful our generational matching bonus is. The next earning is our rank bonus. I love this rank bonus. Now, the same volume that you are paid on a weekly basis, the company says once you hit any of the ranks, starting from platinum up to crown diamond, you earn at platinum. For example, once you hit platinum the first time, the company pay you $1,000 US. Now, once you hit other ranks up to crown diamond, you also earn those money at each level you get for the first time. Now, the next bonus you are paid is what we call lifestyle bonus. I love this particular bonus because it's like a monthly salary. Apart from what you earn on every Friday, the company also look at it and categorize you in any of the rank which you maintain just twice in a month. Now, this is done on a calendar month. Each calendar month is 4 weeks. So the company check which of this rank did you hit between just in 2 weeks of the calendar month, starting from bronze up to emerald, and you are paid lifestyle bonus. For example, if you hit emerald, you are paid 407,000 naira for maintaining emerald twice in a month. That is awesome, different from what you earn on a weekly basis. The next bonus you are paid is what we call leadership bonus. Now, leadership bonus is where you share what we call profit with the company. Now, some companies share their profit annually, some does it every 6 months, some does it quarterly, some does it monthly, but in Pure, we do it weekly. Every week, the company take 3% from their sales. Presently, the company is in 12 countries. They take 3% from all the sales made in these countries and share it among those who rank between diamond and crown diamond. For example, crown diamond gets about 10 shares. 10 shares is about 3.7 million. And this money is paid on every Friday. The next bonus incentive, which is actually an incentive trip, is what we call our travel incentive trip. Now, this company is one of the company I've seen that take people to the choicest country in the world. I had the privilege of being in the US for their convention last year. So this company have a standard travel every year. They have a convention in the US in Dallas every October. Every October, it's always packed out. And they also have ship cruise every July. Now, ship cruise is 5 days. How do you get into these travels? All you need to do is to qualify as a diamond. What does it mean to be a diamond? A diamond is when you have 35,000 points on your big leg, which is your sponsor tree, and you have 20,000 points on your lesser leg. That makes you a diamond. Now, diamond qualifies you to either be in the ship cruise or be in the convention in the US. And once you're a diamond, it's all the way sponsored. Your visa, your ticket, your 5-star accommodation, and spending money that this company give you. Now, we also have our regional trips. Now, the trip I just mentioned is the international one. We have regional. Africa have their regional trip. And for example, in 2020, by end of first quarter, Africa will be taking people to Canada, Niagara Falls, and that is the planned trip for the regional this year. By next year, it's going to be other countries, but we are doing Canada this year. And the last way to earn, which is the 10th way, is the car incentive. Our car incentive program is powerful. Once you hit the rank of diamond in this company, you are qualified to participate in a car incentive program. And the kind of car we give out in this company are solid cars that you can be part of once you hit this rank. So I want to welcome you to join us in this big opportunity. Like I said, it's the next biggest thing in the continent of Africa. Wow. I haven't heard about all this exciting information about competition plan. You want to ask, how do I become part of this company that is moving like a train? Well, it's very simple. Someone actually shared this video with you. All you need to do, contact that person and ask him, how do I get the form? How do I sign up? And this company deals with you directly. All you need to do, the person gives you the company's account details. You make advance of your money and you tell the person the kind of product you want and you get your product right away. This is a relational company that deals with you directly, and we create that platform to meet you. I invite you from all over. Wherever you see this video, I just want to tell you, this is the place to be. We have the best products and we have the best compensation plan that eyes have never seen in the continent of Africa. So we are proud to live pure. Join us to live pure.